Good morning. Good morning, guys. So today I am going to Houston again.
Wow.
And I'm surprised too. So yeah. The reason how or why I'm going, because my dad is most likely going to this Via Festa, and it's just me, my mom, and my dad. So my sister is not going since she's staying in the valley for the Boys and Girls Club. She just said she is only staying. So yes. So it's not really like us saying like, oh no, you're staying because of this. So most likely I'm going this time. This is my first time actually going. I never gone to that place before. I've been to Houston. You guys already know that. So like with the Austin trip. So yeah. If you guys had ever, oh my god, my cat had ever been in my YouTube channel or not, please subscribe and press my notification. And we're gonna go right now.
3 hours later.
So we just made it to our first stop at Burger King at Kingsville, and you guys know why it's Kingsville, because Burger King has kings in here, and I got a crown. So literally all the crowns are the kings. Actually, I don't know the crowns. So I got one of my own things, a coffee. I haven't gotten coffee in a while. I was like, oh my god. So yeah, I'm gonna eat breakfast real quick, and yeah, it's kind of weird getting a crown as an adult. I'm like 21 getting a crown. Super weird.
Meanwhile,
Second stop here at the gas station. I do not know the location at the moment, but we're like 3 hours away from Houston. So at the moment, we are just here just to do the restroom break. And well, yeah. So I'll probably just walk around, just wait for my parents, and that's it. So yeah. And I may grab a snack as well while waiting for them.
later.
So I just got here from the hotel and everything. I got ready as well. And yeah, we're gonna head to Via Fresh. That's our first stop, I think. So we can get our badges. I think I'm not the one getting it. I'm not too sure yet. I don't know yet, like, to be honest. So it's like, not too sure. It was like a 5-hour drive here, maybe more. But let's see. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So yeah. Oh, bruh. So yeah, I did not get the badge, but including vendor. But I was too. I mean, not even a vendor. What's it called? Visitor. I would try my best to go in somehow. So yep. But this is cool. Is this cool? It's a key card.
I'm a cat. Meow. Check me out. I'm a cat. Meow. Check me out. I'm a cat. Meow. Check me out.
Oh my god. Hi, Fluffy. I do not want to hurt you. But would you not want to fight? But would you actually try to leave this area and live in another life in heaven? Because I'm seeing you trying to jump off a cliff. Look, there's a car right here. You can live another life. Not be boiled in hot water. I don't know. It's up to you. It's up to you what you want to do in life. But this is not a life to die. Just letting you know. Just letting you know. It's not how life works. I don't know how you got here to here. I caught you in camera screaming, but I did not catch you in audio. I don't know how you scream. You are alive.
There's nothing I fear, and I know that my heart.
So I'm back at the hotel just waiting. So yeah. And we're gonna go get some food right now. And my mom could talk to this mic if she wants to. So how you feeling?
Hungry.
So yeah.
My head hurts.
Oh, yeah.
I feel like I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it.
Anyways, we're gonna just wait here and just wait till we're gonna wait for my dad to get out of the room just to get some food real quick. So yep. So we searched everywhere up and we found the most best Texas and everywhere else ever been found, but they yet ruined it for us. My mic was turned off, so I was just explaining that we used to have it at Westaco. So yeah, I was just explaining it that we used to have this restaurant, and yeah, I'm doing this transmission. We are here at Slim Chicken. And my mom's barely gonna start eating. Bruh. Oh, but okay, she's already doing. Wash your hands. Second day. So, oh my god. I do not know what to say. But yeah, it's the second day today. It looks so dead. But today is the first day of Via Fresta. And I see the fitness center. And the pool. Oh my god. The pool. But sadly, I cannot be here. And oh, I'm stuck here. Well, I guess I gotta be here till someone opens the door for me.
5 minutes later.
Got out. I finally got out of the area. I had to push the door really hard.
That's what she said.
So I'm like, I gotta get out with this cart so many times. But I'm gonna try to get breakfast right now. So yeah. So I got breakfast and well yeah, not much today with apple juice. Right here, this feels like a $4 breakfast even though everything feels like it's free, even though apple juice was literally like $4, like bruh. But it feels so, oh my god. My mom is still asleep right now and oh my god, I do not know right now. Right now, I'm just gonna wait for my mom to wake up just to go downstairs and eat breakfast with me. And yeah, we're gonna wait till we get to Viva Fresh all together. Let's just hope the song doesn't get copyright with me. And yeah, let's just see what happens. So I got ready and about to start heading to Academy. Well, first to the train. But yeah, I said I was gonna go to the VF Fresh, but I'm going to Academy first by the train. It's gonna be more interesting than going to Fresh. Actually, so yeah, I'm actually going by myself. So yeah, it's kind of like interesting for me. Well, not really interesting by myself because I do sometimes do it. Actually, not. This is kind of like weird because I'm a girl, and it's weird because I'm out of town, so I was like, I don't know. So yeah. I just stopped at a different location. So I was supposed to actually stop at somewhere that was close by to the Academy, but this kind of close by as it is. Maybe like 2-3 more minutes more, I guessing, less. I don't know, but I had to start walking to Academy. Try my best to get over there soon. And so yeah, and yeah, let's see how it goes because right now gotta try my best.
20 minutes later.
Took almost like 15 to 18 minutes to walk all around the neighborhood close to Academy. I think that's like almost like 5 minutes to walk all the way to the other side. All these cars, and yet I'm still walking. I'm barely in Richmond. I had to walk the other side of the houses just because I shouldn't just walk backwards. Like, to be honest, I don't know why I would walk straight. Like, why did I did that? My dumbass did that. I finally made it to Academy. Finally. My sweaty ass is tired. Well, not that sweaty, but well, I am sweaty. But oh my god, I'm tired. I'm gonna get some air from inside and also find the beach ball that I'm looking for. I even ordered it online so I can pick it up early, but it's been like 2 hours, so yeah.
Moments later.
So I got my beach ball. It's in my bag right now, and I'm gonna head back to the hotel. I may go to the Viva Fresh later on. Let's hope, because this vlog may be getting boring if I do that. If I don't really vlog it, like, if you guys know what I mean by that. But let's just hope if I go. My mom's like, if I go to Viva Fresh, I may get bored. But I was like, I want to go either way. But let's see how it goes. I'm going back to the train and the bus, so yeah. Now I got the other side back to the other bus, because I think I found out that there's 2 buses that go to different buses that goes to different track areas. So yeah. I just got off the train and about to head back to the hotel. Just waiting for the lights, so I can be heading back to there. And yeah, took a while, but liked the train ride, even though it took a long while. But yeah, it was really fun ride. Just going back and forth, but kind of my fault that I took the wrong turn from that. So yeah.
Later.
My dad did not tell me there was Starbucks at the place where he was at, so I got Starbucks. So I literally had to walk to a hotel, and I went to the wrong one. So when I walked to this area, I was like, oh my goodness. So I kept walking, and I saw Starbucks, and I'm like, oh my god, I'm gonna get it. And I think they were only gonna do just homemade, whatever they do. So I just got regular vanilla bean. So yeah, I just got it, and I was like, thank god I got it, because it's good. Hadn't had it in a while, but it's still good. So yeah. Anyways, I'm heading back. And so yeah. Like, it was literally right in front of me the whole time. This is the hotel I'm at. Literally right in front of me where my dad works. Like, what the heck? Right in front of me. This is where the convention is at. And my dumbass thought it was like too far away. I'm like walking to the other side. So I'm back in the hotel, and the beach ball is 42 inch. Oh my god.
That's what she said.
But anyways, this is gonna be the part 1 for now, guys. Because I feel like this video is super long. I feel like it's super long, guys. But this is part 1 for now, and I will have the part 2 at the second vlog. I mean, the second of it. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you guys did, please subscribe, and hopefully you guys hit the notifications. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I see you guys in the next vlog, and bye.